Hi. We are in the process of our 10-year master plan, our housing and dining comprehensive plan, and we wanted to have a celebration of Yates because it's the first building that will come down.
The stories that we've heard this morning have been amazing and funny and exciting.
Memories of living in Yates. The hall phone with the really long cord, because we didn't have any phones in the rooms.
One of our hallmates, who became his brother-in-law, pissed us off one day. So we took all his furniture and moved it out over here on the grass, hung up his clothes on the tree, and so that's one of my best memories.
In 1980-81, all of us were in South or Center Yates. All of the guys broke into the room and literally took everything out, including the switch plates off the wall, and hid it in our showers.
Falling asleep in the grass sometimes.
You have to yell flush when you flush the toilets, or people in the showers would get scalded.
And I was in Yates First North back in 2003.
And Anna was one of my perspective people.
Yeah.
She came and stayed with me. So we're still close friends with a lot of the people that we know there.
He would like to throw ice cream onto my window as he was coming back from the cast, and that was a little annoying after about the first 15 times.
We were on Second Center and Second North, freshmen in 1985, and we met then and started dating that fall and are married still today.
2 marriages came out of the 2 hallways. One of them's here, and it might even last the weekend. Tim Wilson here, who we lost this past year, was editor of the Flat Hat. Wrote all 4 years, editor-in-chief, and we're all here to honor him this weekend.
We've been meeting for years since then. We had a pandemic Zoom of both hallways, about 40 people.
It's crazy. I think people are enjoying it. They're like, yeah, it's like we're the last of a legacy.
Yeah, because everybody does want to live in Yates, I feel like.
When we lived in Yates, there was no air conditioning, and so if 40 years ago you'd said you're going to implode it, we probably wouldn't have minded too much.
You can't stop progress.
I'm surprised it took this long.
Implosion is about
Fantastic. Loved it. Sad to see it go.
Sad to see it go, but happy to see something new come.
60-year temporary housing.
Yates will always live on in our hearts, though.
And in our homes.
This was letting us go in and see the door.
Yeah.